So right now it's about almost 9:30 and we've been in Salt Lake for about 15 minutes and now we're gonna go to my uncle's house to spend the night. Okay, so we just arrived at my uncle's house and I'm going to bed. I'm super tired. Breakfast time. We are now leaving for the tournament.
Everything is gonna be, yeah.
This is a 4x4 axis, holy crap.
Yeah, it takes like 15 minutes.
I don't know. Oh, yeah.
The Vogue. It's so nice. Holy cow.
Should I be in your video?
Ready, set, go. Yes! Peel on skin. 14.11. I think I read.
Yeah, he won.
Ready?
Go.
Set, go.
5.41. I've realized that if I put all of my official solves into this vlog, then the video will be way too long. So I'm just gonna make those separate videos each. So if you wanna see some of my solves, you can click like right here-ish. I'm gonna put them right here.
I'm Jerry, okay? That was my older brother in that face reveal video. I am Jerry.
Come on, 2x2. Good.
What'd you get? 31. That's faster than my PB. Oh my gosh, what a bomb. Oh, come on, buddy.
It's legendary.
Subscribe to MagicCubeMall. MagicCubeMall. Can I get this?
Yeah, you can. They're
Six,
$6.
right? That's out of 10.
Okay, so
Okay.
1, 2, 3, $4 you change.
Thank you. Good day.
Like
We're doing right hand, left hand. This is my left hand, and that is Trent's right hand, right there.
Okay, let's do the red piece first. Okay, ready, set, go. And then.
So
A minute 11.
Ah, nice. Knuckles. Boom.
Hello.
Holy crap, I'm so excited.
So close.
Oh, so
I
close.
need to add this to my story.
BLL. There we go. Come on.
Of course.
Oh, oh.
Come on, Snapchat, stop
So
lagging.
much stress. Oh, there it goes. Yeah. Yeah. massive.
Dude, you are amazing.
Oh my gosh.
I bought a $9 bonbon and got a 45-second 2x2 solvent contest.
Come on.
Last turn.
Last turn. Come on, turn. Victory. Okay, so Scube just finished. Okay. And 3x3 is next. And it was supposed to start at 1:55. Currently, it is 3:40. And 3x3 is just starting. This tournament is way behind schedule, so they're cutting finals. There's only one round of everything. There's no 3x3 finals, there's only one round of 3x3. Oh, we gotta get this shot.
Yeah, that'll be great for your video.
One more.
I'm up, bro.
You can.
Yeah, I'll do it. I don't know how to do it.
Here, wait, let me try this.
That was awesome. 100%.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi to the camera.
Hi, camera. Hi.
Hi.
I want to be in the video.
You're in the video.
Yeah.
So here are the results of the competition. Again, if you want to see my solves, you can click on any of these right here. But here are the results. In 3x3, my best solve was 15 seconds, my average was 18 seconds, and I got 19th overall. In 4x4, my best time was 1:14, I averaged 1:20, and I got 11th overall. In Scube, my best time was 13 seconds, I averaged 16 seconds, and I got 29th overall. In Square 1, my best was 57, my average was 107, and I got 19th overall. And finally, in 2x2, the event that I got 2+2 penalties in, which left me with a 7-second best solve, a 9-second average, and 38th overall.